I think all of us recognize that when we lose somebody close in our family, that is a horrible, horrible thing to have happen. What we don't recognize is that is a pain that goes on forever in some cases. Psychologists tell us that if you were to put on a scale the worst thing that can happen to people, a divorce is like a 5, going to prison, interestingly enough, is around a 4. What is truly a 10 and stays a 10 for years is the loss of a spouse. That is the worst thing that can happen to any of us psychologically. The loss of a child is in many cases worse. Rarely do I see a marriage survive the loss of a child. The stress it puts on that marriage is truly phenomenal. These are the cases that literally break our heart. They're also the cases that I think are the most undercompensated for people who don't see competent attorneys to handle it. It takes a lot to figure out how to present this to a jury so they understand what has been lost. Everybody understands grief, but what is hard to understand is what has been lost. When you think of all those priceless moments that are now taken away, those things have value. And to hold people accountable who took the life of someone you loved away, I think is the appropriate thing to do.